In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a computer, a piece of paper, a pencil sharpener if you want, to listen while reading and mark phonetically the text. And I'm going to use a text in English.
Ghosts and goblins. October 31st is a night for fun and fright. Children of...
So this is the first sentence where I've marked the intonation going up, October 31st. I'm introducing the subject, then I'm going up for fun because I haven't finished yet, so my tone goes up, and then the sentence falls on fright because I have concluded saying the sentence itself. So I just stopped the recording there. It was really easy to do with my left hand, and then with my right hand, I'm just marking the text phonetically with this pencil. Very easy and straightforward to do. Let's continue.
Ages dress up in costumes.
So here, ages dress up in costumes. Eventually I can even come back, for example, because I can start again and listen again to the first sentences.
Ghosts and goblins. October 31st is a night for fun and fright. Children of all ages dress up in costumes. There are little girls who dress up as fairies, princesses, ballerinas, and the like.
So stop here, and the like, going down. As you can see here, you have the intonation patterns going up, going up, going up. This is a list, for example here, fairies, princesses, ballerinas, and the like. Going back a little bit, there are little girls. Obviously here the tone is going up because I haven't finished yet. So this is a relative clause. There are little girls who dress up, and then you continue. I stopped the sentence and then I'm gonna deal with the following one.
There are little boys who dress up as firefighters, policemen, and superheroes.
So that's exactly the same pattern here. There are little boys. There's a relative clause, so I'm going to continue, and that's the reason why the tone goes up. And then you have a list of elements: firefighters, policemen, and superheroes. So you have the tone going up on firefighters, policemen, and then the tone falling down on the stressed syllable of the last element of the entire list. Let's keep going on.
You also have the children who dress up as furry animals or ghoulish ghosts.
As you can see, it's really clear. Again, you also have the children going up, relative clause, and then you have furry animals. The tone is going up because I haven't finished, or ghoulish ghosts. You have the accent, the tone falling down on the last element.
One thing is certain. No matter what costume you choose, there is sure to be a lot of candy and chocolate involved on Halloween.
Halloween. So here, one thing is certain. It's like a statement, so the accent is falling down. Not necessarily all the sentences, not necessarily the main stress or the accent falls on the last element of the sentence. There's a comma here. No matter what costume you choose, this is the stressed element, the most important one, there is sure to be a lot of candy and chocolate, going up here, involved in Halloween. Accent falling on Halloween.
I can remember going trick-or-treating as a child and using a pillowcase as my goodie bag. This ensured that I would have plenty of room for the ridiculous amounts of chocolate that I collected. I remember having many stomach aches in the week that followed Halloween. I probably had enough candy to last a month, but I ate it all within a few days. Some parents take their children's candy and will only allow them a certain amount each day. However, my mom wanted to get it over with. She thought it was better to let me eat it all at once than have to listen to me whine about candy for a whole month. You might also have the impression that Halloween is just for kids, but you would be wrong. Many adults take part in the festivities as well. For example, there are many parties that take place all over the city. Most people dress up in costumes, and often there are prizes given for the best ones. Some adults spend months and a lot of money coming up with unique and elaborate costumes. I believe that some adults have more fun on Halloween than most children do. Furthermore, Many adults and teenagers like to set off fireworks and firecrackers. There are often wonderful fireworks displays at parks and schools. Usually, they are put on firefighters to make sure that nobody gets hurt. October 31st is generally not a peaceful night, so if you think you will be going to bed early, you had better think again. Often, there are teenagers setting off firecrackers until all hours of the morning.
So here you have it. This was a very practical, straightforward, simple and short training to get the phonetic patterns of the English. I've used English here, but you can use it for Spanish or any other language you want. It really does make a difference if you start doing this from the very beginning.